Good morning, children. Welcome to Miss McDonagh's data handling lesson. If you are tuning in today, we are going to be covering our Do It 1 and 2. So we've got some really exciting learning for you this week. You are going to be learning about data and how we can make that look in different ways. So the first thing you're going to do, and the first thing I did, was looking at a tally chart. Now this morning, bright and early, I got up and I went for a walk. And on my walk, I was looking for different species of mini beasts. So I was looking for butterflies, caterpillars, snails, worms, bees, spiders, beetles, and ladybirds. And I looked under logs, and I rolled over stones, and I looked high and I looked low, and I made a tally chart of all of the mini beasts that I found. And here are the results. This is my data. So here you can see that I found 5 butterflies, and I found 2 caterpillars. And I found 6 snails. Can you see how many worms I found? I found 10 worms. Now over here, I found 3 bees, 1 spider, 5, 6, 7, 8 beetles, and 3 spotty ladybirds. And I wrote this down using my tally chart. Now, when you are writing down numbers in a tally, you probably saw on mine just then, you write them down in lines that look like this. So this is how I count as a tally. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I get to 5, instead of doing another one there, I put a line through it. So it looks a little bit like a gate. And then I count again until I get to my next lot of 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? And this just makes it really easy when I'm counting, because I can count in 5s. 5, 10. Let's draw a few more. Can you work out what number I have created now? Should we try and count together? 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so your first your Do It 1 is you are going to go and create your own tally chart like mine. Now, if you look in resources, you'll find a blank sheet that is ready for you to get started. However, if you decide that actually you don't really want to do mini beasts and you would prefer to count the number of different types or different coloured cars or vehicles that pass your home, or maybe you can think of a different idea for your tally chart, then you can do that too. But I chose mini beasts for my one. Okay, so that is what you're going to do for your Do It 1. That's your first Do It. When you have finished that and you have got a tally chart that looks like mine or similar to mine, because you'll have different numbers on it, then you are going to have a go at drawing a pictogram. And you can use the data, so that's just all the posh word for information, all the information from your tally chart, you can put it onto a pictogram like I have done. So on a pictogram, you have what are called axes. So along the bottom, I've got my mini beasts, my different kind of mini beasts, just like I did on my tally chart. So butterfly, bee, caterpillar, spider, snail, beetle, worm, ladybird. But up the side, I have these numbers, and they're increasing, which means going up in steps of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each of these pictures that I've drawn means one of those mini beasts. So here I've drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies because on my tally chart you can see that I saw 5 butterflies. And here I have drawn 1, 2, 3 bees because when I did my mini beast walk I found 3 bees. And it keeps going. 2 caterpillars, 1 spider, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 snails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beetles. Oh, how many worms? Let's have a look across. 10 worms and 3 ladybirds. So what I'd like you to do for your Do It Too children is to put the information from your tally chart onto a pictogram that looks a bit like this. And you can use this template from the resources, or you can create one of your own. Just remember, if you're drawing lines, try to use a ruler or something to help you make really straight edges, and then you can make it look really smart. Okay, now if you're looking for something that's a bit more of a challenge, so instead of doing a pictogram that looks like this one, you could try a pictogram that looks like this one. This is Meta's challenge today, okay? Now, you'll see straight away that this pictogram chart is missing some of the things that the other one had. So it doesn't have any labels, but most importantly here, the key, you can decide what one of your pictures equals. So I've decided that for mine, one of my pictures that I draw isn't going to equal 1 mini beast, it's going to equal 2 mini beasts. And I will explain what that means in a minute. So along the bottom, just like we had on the other one, are my mini beasts. And along the side is the number I found. Okay. So remember what I said before, we're not counting in ones, we're going to count in twos. So I'm going to write my twos just to help me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Now, just like you would do if you were making the other pictogram, you have a look at your tally chart. Oh, how many butterflies did I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. I haven't got a 5 on here. What am I going to do? Right, let's make a start. So, I've drawn 1 butterfly, but on this pictogram, 1 butterfly equals 2 butterflies. So that's 2. 4. If I draw another complete butterfly, that will equal 6. What could I do instead? I can draw half a butterfly. And instead of equal 6, that now just means 1 extra butterfly. So I have 2, 4, 5 butterflies. Right, let's have a look what's next on my tally chart. Oh, I saw 3 bees. So once again, I draw my bees. 2. Right, I've drawn 1 bee, but 1 bee on this means 2 mini bees, so that's 2 bees. I need 3 bees, but if I draw another complete bee, that's going to equal 4. So like I did with the caterpillar, I'm going to draw half a bee. So I have 2, 3 bees. Now the next one's a lot more straightforward because I only saw 2 caterpillars, and 2 is on my pictogram. So I can draw my caterpillar. There's my caterpillar, and he equals 2 caterpillars. Next one, oh, I've got a spider, but I only found 1 spider. So 1's not on my pictogram. Where would 1 lie? Right, it lies halfway between the bottom and the next line because I only found 1. So I need to draw half a spider. So there's my spider, but I'm not drawing 8 legs. I'm just drawing 4 because that counts as 1 spider. And I have space for one more thing. Oh, how many snails did I see? 5, 6 snails. Oh, I have got 6 on my pictogram. Put some eyes on them, make them look nice. 2. 4. 6. 6 snails. Okay, so just to be really clear, your first do it is to go on a hunt or go looking out your window so you can create a tally chart. And your second do it is to choose which type of pictogram you would like to create. And the templates, the pieces of paper for these, are available in the maths resources. So off you go and create your tally chart and then your pictogram, and I will see you when you are ready to use it. Good luck, have fun, goodbye.